Day 53, becoming financially free, testing side hustles. I'm doing affiliate marketing and I made some sales. These are some affiliate marketing commissions. Right now, I'm focusing on building my email list. I have this sales funnel set up. It has 3 steps: the opt-in page, the ebook, and the bridge page. And I'm collecting emails every day from this page. And also I have this email sequence in which I'm promoting my affiliate offer and supporting offers. Now, some affiliate offers will give you the emails. Check this out. If I click on email swipes, I can use all these emails to promote the product. But let's say that you don't want to use those emails. Here is a good strategy that you can use. I can copy this text and I can paste it on ChatGPT and tell it that rewrite in a more compelling style. And what I can do is that I can copy this new newsletter and paste it and then send the email to my email list. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.